Good morning to you all. Those of you following us on social media or spending time on the Paddocks Club forum will have noticed a new member of the Paddocks team being welcomed and answering questions this week. I have the pleasure of introducing you to Ané de Klerk. Ané, please tell us a bit more about the role you will be fulfilling here at Paddocks.
Good morning, Prof. I have recently joined the Paddocks team as a specialist community scheme attorney. As part of the consulting team, I will be seeing our clients for face-to-face consultations, providing telephonic advice and drafting written legal opinions. I will also be drafting articles for Paddocks Press and our blog, as well as answering Paddocks Club queries.
Excellent, thank you, Ané. Can you now tell us a little bit more about your background and how you've prepared for this role?
I've always known I wanted to be an attorney, but at the same time always been passionate about property. After obtaining my law degrees at Stellenbosch University, I served my articles at CNA Friedlander, where I worked with Stephen Borick in the conveyancing department and specialized in sectional title property developments. I loved working with property developers and went on to get practical experience at the Faircape Group as a portfolio manager. It is there that I learned the intricacies of community scheme management. And I think working with developers to design the schemes and then managing them has given me the perfect background to help Paddocks clients with both theoretical and practical issues.
And Ané, do you have any particular areas of interest in that scope?
At the moment, I'm really excited by the trend amongst millennials to purchase apartments or townhouses as investments, rather than trusting their banks or brokers with the responsibility of investing their hard-earned money. I'm eager to be involved in presenting seminars and workshops aimed at empowering these investor buyers, as well as existing owners, trustees and agents involved in the management of the community schemes. With that being said, I think my first love will always be property development. Nothing thrills me more than to be part of the process of creating opportunities for buyers to be part of something new and exciting, especially when these developments pop up in previously unexpected, now up-and-coming areas. There are few things in life I enjoy more than to assist developers with the legalities involved in bringing their vision to life in a way that benefits both them and their investors.
And finally, Ané, tell us something about your family life.
I've been happily married to a sub-lieutenant in the South African Navy for almost 2.5 years now. My husband is a naval officer, previously served as a navigator on our frigates, and is now based at the engineering department in Simonstown. We are both originally from the northern suburbs, but relocated to Woodstock after getting married. Although we are both well versed in English, our home language is Afrikaans. Ek sien dis uit daarna om met die Afrikaanse Paddocks kliënte in hul moedertaal te kan gesels en miskien selfs 'n paar artikels in Afrikaans te publiseer.
Dankie, Ané. We look forward to working with you to serve Paddocks clients.